Good evening, students. This is my first class. I am going to teach you synthetic fibers and plastics. You are the class 8 student. Now here mainly your chemistry of polymer starts. In future course you are going to study the same in the polymer chemistry. Same topic. Now my question, what is here? The synthetic fibers and plastic. Before synthetic and plastic, what is a fiber? A term comes fiber. फाइबर का मतलब क्या होता है? फाइबर का मतलब मैं आपको बता दूं कि फाइबर का मतलब धागा होता है. यहाँ मेरे पास एक ट्री है, इसमें ये एक धागा है, ये एक थ्रेड है, दिख रहा है थ्रेड? ये एक धागा है और उससे हमने इस स्टार को हैंग कर रखा. ठीक है, ये थ्रेड है, धागा. So what is a fiber? Fiber is a strong flexible thread like substance which is used to make fabric. कपड़े बनाने में इसमें धागे यूज होते हैं. तुमने घर में अपने कपड़े को भी देखा होगा, उसमें थ्रेड निकलता है तो धागे निकल आते हैं. It is a fiber. Fiber is a thread like substance. What is a fiber? Fiber is a strong flexible thread like substance, strong flexible and thread like substance which is used to make the fabric. Fiber is used to make the fabric. Right? Now children, what are the types of fiber? Now fibers are classified into two types. From where you get these fibers? Synthetic. Natural fiber and synthetic fibers. Children, now pay attention. Fibers are classified into two types. Number one is natural fiber and number two is synthetic fiber. Now what are the types of fiber? My question, or you can write it, what is classification of fibers. What is classification of fibers? So I have given you two questions. What is a fiber? It is a thread-like substance which is used to make the fabric. Then what are the classification of fiber? Fibers are classified into two types on the basis of their source. One obtained from nature and another obtained from in the laboratory. Now question comes, what is a नेचुरल फाइबर? अभी हम नेचुरल फाइबर की चर्चा करेंगे, उसके बाद सिंथेटिक फाइबर पर जाएंगे. सिंथेटिक फाइबर अपने आप में काफ़ी डिटेल है और आने वाले पोर्शन में हम सिंथेटिक फाइबर में डिटेल पढ़ते हुए आगे चले जाएंगे प्लास्टिक्स पर. तो चलिए, नेचुरल फाइबर, दिस फाइबर. सो थर्ड क्वेश्चन, डिफाइन नेचुरल फाइबर. Define natural fiber. Define natural fiber. What is a natural fiber? Natural fiber, it is obtained from the nature, that is from the plants. Such as natural fiber is obtained from the nature, that is from plants, such as, for example, cotton. You are getting the cotton from the cotton plants. Then next, jute also we are getting from the jute plant, which is जिसे हम पटुआ की खेती करते हैं. Generally, it is India. It is found in Bihar, Bengal. Bengal is the main production area for jute. It is used to prepare the jute is used in the manufacture of textile. So I told you cotton, the cotton fabric we use. Cotton is also obtained from the plant, जिसे तुम रुई कहते हो. बैंडेज में दिखता है, उसी रुई को धागे बना के हम कॉटन फाइबर बनाते हैं. ठीक है. सेम वे जूट, जिस पटुए को हम लोग देखते हैं उसी को धागे बना के हम उसके जूट फाइबर बनाते हैं. Secondly, we are third is a silk fiber. You are getting the silk fiber. It is a एनिमल. अभी तक हमने प्लांट फाइबर देखा था. नेचुरल फाइबर में एनिमल फाइबर एंड प्लांट. नेचुरल फाइबर को अगर आप कैटेगराइज करेंगे तो ये एनिमल फाइबर भी हो सकता है, एनिमल फाइबर एंड प्लांट फाइबर. So we are getting to again in natural fiber there are two types of fibers, animal fiber and plant fiber. Let me discuss regarding the animal fiber. The natural fiber which we obtain from the nature and we are getting from the plants such as cotton. Cotton we are getting from cotton plant. Jute we are getting from the jute plant, that is a patwa. Third, we are getting linen. Linen is also, this sort is a linen cloth. Linen cloth is, you require frequent pressing. And once you are using, second without press, you cannot use it. It is a pure cotton, it is a pure linen, highly comfortable. So linen. Linen are the natural fiber. In that natural fiber, there are a lot many from the plants, like banana tree also, fibers are being taken out to make the utensils. So we taught you natural fiber obtained from the plants, natural fiber obtained from the animals, that is the animal fiber. So what are the answer will be? Cotton, linen, cotton, linen and what I told you, cotton, linen and jute. There are three types. Cotton, linen, jute. Now animal fiber. Animal fiber, what is animal fiber? So the fiber you get from the animal, such as wool. Wool you get from what? Yak, goat, angora. Wools you are getting generally from the J&K area, Jammu and Kashmir. Yak, sheep, goat, from a type of a rat, hair is also used in this. So these are the animal fibers. Apart from that, we are using the silk. Silk also we are getting from the cocoons. Cocoons we get from the silkworm. That's why silk is also considered as an animal fiber. Okay? These all animal fiber and plant fiber are called the, you are getting, for example, silk, wool, silk and wool. These are the, comes under the category of natural fiber and this is a animal fiber. Now we will discuss regarding what is the next question, what you are writing, answer, we will discuss it if you do. Now define natural fiber. It is the fiber which is obtained from the nature. Natural fiber, nature exists in the nature. It is classified into, natural fiber is classified into two types. Fiber from the plants and animals. Then fourth question, what is it? Classification of natural fiber. Natural fiber on the basis of source. Fifth question, what is the difference between wool and wool silk? That we will discuss later on. It will be lengthy questions. So let me discuss it. We have discussed with the 4 questions. Now children, let me discuss synthetic fiber. What is synthetic fiber? What is synthetic? Question is fourth. Fifth question. Question number 5. What is synthetic fiber? This is the fiber, synthetic fiber. It is obtained in the laboratory and prepared by the man. Answer. It is prepared in the lab by the man, or it is also called man-made fiber. For example, what are the examples of synthetic fiber? Synthetic fiber is also named as a man-made fiber because it is prepared by the man in the laboratory. The question is, what is synthetic fiber? आज के दिन हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते बिना सिंथेटिक फाइबर के। जैसे जो भी कपड़े हम पहनते हैं, पैंट, इसमें टेरिलीन है, पॉलिस्टर है, टेरिलीन, पॉलिस्टर, रेयॉन, नायलॉन, नायलॉन 6, नायलॉन 66, कैप्रोलैक्टम, Teflon. Lot many types are there for the synthetic. Every day we prepare something different in the laboratory and we say these are the synthetic fibers. Most important synthetic fibers are, for example, nylon. Nylon is a polyamides. Nylon में multiple amides होते हैं, repeating amide unit होता है nylon में. Nylon, टेरिलीन, पॉलिस्टर, रेयॉन, nylon, टेरिलीन, polyester, rayon. These are the important synthetic fibers. These are obtained in the laboratory by the polymerization process. Different type of polymerization process we deal with it. There are the polymerization which are addition polymerization product. Another are the condensation polymerization product. Polymerization process. Let me discuss the small bit of what is it. Then you have written the question number 5. Question number 6. And synthetic fiber, we are getting the synthetic cloth. We are getting the synthetic cloth. Okay. So let me discuss furthermore. Question number 5. We are going to give you the question number 6. 6 also. 6th question. Please try to understand what I am going to ask you. What is the difference between synthetic polymer and synthetic? What is the difference between natural fiber and synthetic fiber? What is the difference between natural fiber and synthetic fiber? Now children, a student try to understand the concept of that. Synthetic fiber वो तुम्हारे पॉलिस्टर की पैंट, पॉलिस्टर की बेडशीट, पॉलिस्टर वो कपड़े जो वजन में हल्का होता है, पानी में भिगोगे सबूत कैसे तुम्हें मिलेगा कि कौन नेचुरल फाइबर से बना है, कौन सिंथेटिक फाइबर से? घर में तुम्हें पहचानना है, हम तुम्हें पहले परिचय कराते हैं अलग अलग कपड़ों के बारे में। चलो हम चलते हैं इस बात पर। देखो सबसे ज्यादा कॉमनली यूज्ड फाइबर जो महिलाएं चुन्नी यूज करती हैं वो प्योर सिंथेटिक होता है अधिकांश, जिसे पानी में डुबो और एक बार झड़क दो, साफ, कोई पानी उसमें टिकता नहीं है। सिंथेटिक फाइबर पानी को होल्ड नहीं करता है, इसलिए सिंथेटिक कपड़े को समर में हम यूज नहीं करते। कॉटन फाइबर पानी में डुबो, भारी हो जाएगा वजन, उसको निचोड़ दो फिर भी वजन रहेगा। उसे ड्राई करने के लिए डालो, अधिक समय में सूखेगा। ठीक है, सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ तुरंत ड्राई हो जाएगा। कपड़े में रिंकल डाल दो, सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ में रिंकल नहीं पड़ेगा। इसमें कॉटन में और सिंथेटिक में क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, उसमें ऐसे करोगे रिंकल रिटेन कर लेगा और कॉटन का रिंकल मिट जाएगा आसानी से। जितना रिंकल करोगे काफी देर टिकेगा, कॉटन का रिंकल नहीं टिकता है, देखो सीधा हो जाता है। और क्या डिफरेंस करोगे, सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ्स आर लाइटर और कॉटन क्लॉथ नेचुरल सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स आर लाइटर, कॉटन फाइबर्स आर नेचुरल फाइबर्स आर हेवियर। ठीक है, कॉटन फाइबर कॉटन हेवियर होते हैं मेनली। सो आई विल टेल यू दीज आर द मल्टीपल डिफरेंसेस between synthetic fibers and natural fibers are there. So I will discuss in coming class also, children. One point I wanted to ask you in coming class. You prepare what is the polymerization. I will discuss with you what is the question है 6 के बाद 7th नंबर हम क्वेश्चन दे रहे हैं। 7th क्वेश्चन, what is the polymerization? Obvious children, we are teaching you not a fun. Teaching is never been a fun. Of course, we try to make the as easy for you. But if you want to excel in your class or want to do best, you need to be serious in the study. What is a polymerization? Now try to see this. Poly means many, merization means repeating units. Polymerization, poly means many, merization means polymer, many, or mer means repeating units. Many repeating units. Anything which has many repeating units are called polymer. Anything which has many repeating units are called polymer. Now, you can take the example of laddu. You might have took it. How it is laddu? Just try to see that. छोटे छोटे बूंदी के दाने होते हैं, हम उस बूंदी के दाने को इकट्ठा करते हैं और ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं, नतीजा वो एक लड्डू बन जाता है। ठीक, तो ये बूंदी के दाने छोटे छोटे थे, हजारों थे, और बाद में एक लड्डू बन गया और उसमें शुगर डाला और ऐसे किया तो पेस्ट हो गया। तो ये छोटे दाने को क्या कहेंगे, मोनोमर। बड़े मॉलिक्यूल को क्या कहेंगे, पॉलीमर। और बनाने के प्रोसेस को क्या करेंगे, पॉलीमराइजेशन। क्या डिफिनेशन होगा, when a large number of smaller molecules combines together to form a bigger molecule is called polymer, a smaller molecule is called monomer, and the process is known as polymerization. जरा समझने की कोशिश करो, छोटे छोटे बूंदी हैं उससे हम मोनोमर बोल रहे हैं, बड़ा लड्डू पॉलीमर बोलते हैं, बनाने के प्रोसेस को पॉलीमराइजेशन कहते हैं। क्योंकि पॉली मीन्स मेनी, मर मीन्स रिपीटिंग यूनिट्स, तो लड्डू के बूंदी काफी रिपीटिंग है। तो व्हेन ए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ स्मॉलर मॉलिक्यूल्स combines together to form a bigger molecule, the bigger molecule is known as polymer, a smaller molecule is known as monomer, and the process is known as polymerization. Okay, children, I have discussed in polymerization. Coming class, we will come with the further more interesting facts, and we will explain you better. By the time, I request you to complete all the 7 question answers before we post you my second lecture to you. Thank you.